In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Samsung touchscreen not working for phone. It's a very easy method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, an unresponsive touchscreen on a Samsung phone is often caused by software freeze or a physical interference with the sensor. So, since you can't tap restart on the screen, you have to use the hardware override. So what you want to do is press and hold the volume down and side power buttons simultaneously and hold them for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Don't let go even when the power menu appears. Release only when the screen goes black and the Samsung logo appears. This cold boots the hardware and usually clears any software loops that were ignoring your fingerprint input. Also, sometimes the advanced ultrasonic sensors on the phones are extremely sensitive to debris. So remove the case or protector, because even if you have a tiny hair or anything like that, it could constantly touch, which prevents it from recognizing your actual taps. And also dry the port. If there's any moisture in your USB-C port, Samsung's safety protocol can sometimes disable certain hardware drivers, including the touch digitizer, to prevent a short circuit. And finally, unplug the charger if you're using any chargers and see if that works too. Now, if you manage to get the screen working but it feels heavy or slow, what we can do is go over to settings, scroll down and then until you find display. And then once you're in display, go ahead and scroll down to touch sensitivity. Once you go ahead and find touch sensitivity, go ahead and click on it and it's going to say increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. And yeah, then you should be good to go.